Hey there, I am Carter Craft with Craft Customs, and today we have an awesome Nissan 240SX SE Coupe steering wheel, 1992, ready to ship out. And this is such a cool wheel because I spent a lot of time. My best friend in high school drove one of these, and so spent a lot of time in it. But just to kind of go over what we did, it came in, the leather was obviously after this many years completely worn out. So we removed that old leather, put a new textured leather onto it. We actually used a Porsche leather on this and stitched it up back to better than factory new. As you see, we used the baseball stitching on there, that hand stitching, which just really is a great looking stitch, but also a great utility stitch. You just really can't go wrong with the baseball stitch. And this looks gorgeous now. This customer's old 240 is really going to feel new to him. Reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. Share this video, like it, subscribe to our channels, and we look forward to working with you.